Hi, I'm Todd Keller, and I'm with
Travis Keller.
and today we're going to be demonstrating the transistor switch. Our requirements were that we needed a 3.3 volts source to turn on the light with the transistor, and we needed so when it has 3.3 volts going through, the light's on, and when it has 0, the lights are off. Coming over here, here's our simulation schematic. We used a 3.3 Zener diode instead of a white one since the part wasn't available and is the closest representation. And going over
to the simulation, we simulated our input voltage to be a 3.3 volt pulse function, so every half millisecond shoots out a pulse, goes to 0, shoots out 3.3, goes to 0. This black line up here is our voltage across our LED, and you can see that when our input voltage is 0, the voltage across the LED is 10. There's no current, so the circuit is open. And then when we close the switch by inputting a voltage onto the base of the transistor, we'll get current flow through the LED. Now, showing that it works, we'll set our voltage to 3.3 volts, and it starts flashing. You can see on the oscilloscope that we have a little pulse every half millisecond. And then going to frequency, as we bump up the frequency, you can see that it flashes faster and faster and faster. And then once we get to about 60, it'll be solid. And then going back down to our 1 hertz, it flashes once a second again. So the way we have it set up is we have a constant 10 volts on the collector of the transistor, and then we're using our waveform generator to have a 3.3 pulse function going to the base, and then everything's grounded. So every time we get a high on the base, we'll get a flash through the LED.